Hi, in this video, we're going to look at how to delete any channel on Slack. So I've specifically made this channel for deletion. I've even named it as such so that I may just demonstrate the whole process to you. It's not very difficult. All you need to do is once you've created the channel, what you do is you just right click, and here you've got these options to leave the channel. You've got additional options. You've got options to mute the channel. So you just go to additional options, and in here what you could do is you could even archive it if you like, which means that it won't be used anymore, it won't be visible to you, and it means everybody would have been removed, but you could still unarchive this channel and use any content which is in there. In that case, you would just select this option. However, right now we're looking at permanent deletion, which is this option at the very bottom. You just select delete this channel, which would permanently remove all sort of content and messages. Any files which are there would not be deleted, and this is an irreversible process. This cannot be undone. So once again, Slack is asking you to archive it if you like, but if you want to permanently delete it, just confirm via this tick box and then click on delete channel, and this channel would be deleted, and there you go, it is not visible in my channel list anymore. So this is how you're going to delete any channels on Slack.